Okay, Bellwork for today. The first question says a Gatorade cooler has 36 cups of water. If a serving is 3/4 of a cup, how many servings are in the cooler? So what this is dividing. I need to set up a problem, and it's going to say 36 divided by 3/4. And dividing fractions, we really don't divide. Some kids last year or this year, they told me that last year you guys used something called keep, change, flip. That means keep the first number the same, 36, but to make it a fraction, I need to put a 1 under it. Then change the divide to be a multiply and flip the second fraction upside down. So now 4 is going to be on top and 3 is going to be on bottom. Now all I need to do is multiply straight across. So top times top, bottom times bottom. I know for sure 3 times 1 is 3. And then 36 times 4, I checked it, it is 144. That is a really big, gigantic, improper fraction. So I need to simplify it by just dividing the top number by the bottom number. And 3 goes into 144. 4 as my starting number. 4 times 3 is 12. Then I'm subtracting. I get 2. I'm going to bring down this 4. Then I have 24, and 3 goes with 24 8 times. So that means there are 48 servings in the cooler. And I can lasso that because it started covering up my second problem and make it just a little bit smaller. That way I can still read the next question. Okay, the next one says Todd had 3/4 of an apple left from breakfast. His sister ate 1/8 of what was left. How much apple is left? This is a clue to tell you that you need to subtract. I'm going to set my fractions up. 3/4 minus 1/8. These fractions need the same denominator down here. There's a couple different ways you can do this. Some kids like to do this strategy where they circle these numbers diagonally, and that's okay. You can totally do that if you want to. If you do that, then the two bottom numbers get multiplied together to make 32. Then diagonally, you're going to multiply. So 3 times 8 is 24. And then 4 times 1 is 4. And it was a subtract question. So that says 24 minus 4. And that would be 20 over 32. So this needs to be simplified. They both can divide by 4. And then the answer would be 5 over 8. 5/8. If you didn't want to do it that way, another way you could do this question, if you have 3/4 minus 1/8, you could recognize that just this 4 could be changed. You could turn it into an 8 just by multiplying it by 2. When you do that, 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. Now I can get rid of this fraction because my bottom numbers now are the same. I could just subtract, and I can show you that 6 minus 1 is 5, and then the denominators stay the same. So I got the same answer both ways. It's just whatever method you like better.